crap. I don't buy that for a minute. Calling it a riot and an irrational expression of feelings, that's such a cop-out. It's opportunism at its worst. It's a bunch of people grabbing any excuse they can find to go and loot a store. Nothing more.
Cloth piercing her throat. Need a lioness, nose covered in coke. Pride to it, need a chain hanging out choke. Pride to it, need a bass banging out joke. Jump game, that's 12 feet, no joke. Sahara Fields, that's my crown, no joke. My coat with me, them stab wounds, no joke. My pack with me, them field niggas, no joke. Eyes locked in my prey. It's follow the leader, you spreading your niggas get sprayed. I'm on your chain. I'm on your chain. What's up with your niggas? They eyeing me looking like they wanna get on some. Cloth piercing her throat. Need a lioness, nose covered in coke. Pride to it, need a chain hanging out choke. Pride to it, need a bass banging out joke.